200 years ago today, the world welcomed a baby girl.
A baby girl who, unknown to the world at the time, would go on to be one of the world's leading nurses.
The founder of nursing as we know it today.
Florence Nightingale.
Florence Nightingale.
Florence Nightingale.
Florence Nightingale.
She worked in crisis environments and improved the quality of care and hygiene practices.
And became an icon of Victorian culture.
She set an example of compassion
and commitment to patient care.
Now, on her 200th birthday,
which coincides with International Nurses Day.
It's time.
It's time.
It's time.
Time to recognise all our nurses, in our trust and beyond,
who do a fantastic and inspirational job every day. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We are one NHS family.